anything physical to her. Man, that's my sister. Any man do anything physical to her. We finna get real active in this.
I think she was stealing.
We finna get. I don't give a going on. Y'all do anything physical.
Are you coming up too, bud?
I ain't coming up on shit.
Turn around! Do it! Do it! Taser, taser, taser!
On September 5th, 2025, officers investigated a reported retail theft involving a stolen bag of merchandise. The investigation escalated into a vehicle stop, a felony-value theft, and ultimately a Taser deployment.
Okay, so what's going on today?
You tried to say I was stealing, but I wasn't stealing.
Okay, I saw both you guys running out of the store.
Because I was running with my son, I was playing. He
Okay.
said something to me, he said you were stealing. I said, he said the police on the way.
Okay.
I said, what I steal?
Okay, you got IDs on you, and then you got receipts for the stuff you purchased.
What you mean? I don't got no ID on me.
You don't have an ID on you? Okay, you don't have anything on you. Nothing, driver's license, nothing like that? Okay. Ma'am, you got an ID on you? Well, one, you're not wearing a seatbelt, so I need your ID. Yeah, so. Alright, we can make this one of two ways here, okay? So you guys can cooperate with me.
I'll cooperate. I'm talking.
You don't have any identification on you. You got nothing on you. Can I get your first name?
He's out there. He's back here making faces.
No, we're
What
not
are you doing?
upset.
Did I see a puppy back there earlier? Did I see a dog back there jumping around earlier?
No, you
No?
see my damn thing.
Oh, okay. You know this guy?
Huh?
You know this guy walking up?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's he?
Alright, you guys
Yeah, I know what I was
you
doing.
got receipts for me?
No, I don't have no receipt.
You got nothing. There's no merchandise in this car?
You gonna let me go? I'll be honest.
Tell me, be honest with me.
I got merchandise. Can you please let me go? I got my baby with me. I do got some merchandise.
Okay, let me
I
see.
brought some stuff in there though.
Okay.
I had brought an outfit in there and I had took an outfit in the bag.
Okay, can I see those please? Where are they at? He's doing something, man. I gotta make sure.
We ain't got no weapons. The black and white one was mine.
Okay, so this is, you did not take this bag, right? You took the bag inside?
He trying to say I took the bag, but I didn't take
Okay,
the bag.
mind
I
if,
did.
you mind, I'm good if I look in here?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, I'm gonna put it right on the
But I told you it's an outfit in there. One is mine.
How's it going?
Did they take anything, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So that big black bag she has, that is full of stuff.
It's full of stuff?
Yeah. She did not walk in with that bag. That's what when we verified that she didn't have the bag. That's when we.
Do you guys know what all she took or anything like that, or?
We didn't see her actually conceal. We just saw her with the bag full of merchandise. We checked camera to see if she walked in with it. She didn't walk in with it, so we know she got it here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that guy in that red hat, he's walking towards over there. I'm not sure if they're with him, but
Yeah.
Okay.
He was in here carrying around a bunch of shoes. We were watching him too. The guy in the red
Did he
hat.
take anything, or?
We don't think he took anything.
Okay,
He
just-
gave us back everything back.
There's two of them, right? Two
Yeah.
black females?
There's two black females, yeah.
There's
Okay.
one like a denim jacket,
Okay.
and then that one.
So a black bag, did it have a,
He's
is
definitely-
it a Nike or anything like that?
It's cool, yeah. It won't be branded or anything. It's like quilted almost.
Okay.
Like has that quilted pattern.
Okay, and it has stuff inside it. You saw them put stuff inside
Yes,
it?
we
or?
saw him put stuff inside it. We just don't know exactly what it was. I know it's most likely Nike. Yeah.
And that bag was stolen as well?
The bag was stolen as well. Yeah.
I'll be right back.
So you going?
All that's stolen. Bag and everything inside it. Yep.
That bag is not there.
She did not come into the store with the bag. But everything inside of it said is stolen.
Let me see the
They don't have a total yet. They still got to inventory it and see what's.
I'm gonna put this back in the car.
Okay.
You got a list over there?
Not yet, no. They still don't have that. They just know everything inside it was.
You know what to do?
What'd you say?
Did you go in to go?
No.
My baby's going.
Yeah, I'll run a photo for you if you want.
I mean, it's gonna be probably a felony. I don't know what this dude's doing around here. It's pissing me off. Get the fuck out of here. These are all like $80, so we're probably close to a felony amount anyway. This is 80 as well.
on the bag?
There was something right here. This is still there.
Okay,
It's still at the back end.
Yeah, it's stolen. Well, they said that was stolen.
For
She
sure.
didn't come in with it.
I'll just throw it in back in here. Actually,
Okay.
photograph it real quick. Do they want it back right now?
I'll ask. I was hoping they'd get us a receipt or something, but I don't think they'll be able to do that. Or we have the merchandise, so.
The bag is.
Yeah, whatever the bag is, yeah.
I got pictures.
I can take it inside and get a receipt for all these items if you want.
Yeah, if you want to.
Yeah, you want to put them in the bag?
Yeah, I'm gonna throw it in the bag. I just thought it was a picture.
I'll make sure they want to press charges and everything.
So she don't have any receipts. Can't produce any receipts.
Yeah. So you can keep that photo if you'd like.
Yeah, I'll leave it right there.
Can I get a receipt of all this?
Yep.
And then the bag, I think they ripped off the tag on the bag, so you can find
Got more of those.
Okay, perfect. And just want to confirm you want to press charges and everything? I know you guys got the merchandise back. I don't know how your policy works, so.
Let me make a phone call real quick,
Okay.
just to confirm. I'm assuming yes, but I always have
So
to.
they did leave the store and everything, so
Yeah.
I mean,
So she witnessed her putting stuff in the bag, and then the cashier, the black woman up there, also witnessed them putting stuff in. They saw them do.
her name's Haley, right?
Her name is Taylor.
Taylor, that's right. You know that.
This 98.
So
I'll have them.
put that- yeah, so if you want to add that to the receipt.
Is there anything else in there?
No, sir.
Okay. So I have a picture.
Stay back there.
Walking in without
Stay back there.
So bag stolen.
You just gonna ignore me? No, you won't. You'll get off the scene. Go back there. Or go to jail then. Either way is fine with me. You're just getting too close, man. It's all right. I understand. You're just getting too close to what we're doing here. I know, but I need him to stay back.
Just step over there so they can finish doing their investigation.
I know. It's fine. We're not saying you did anything. I just need you to stay back. I need you to stay off the scene. All I need you to stay. I know. I understand. I wouldn't let anybody walk up here. I wouldn't let anybody walk up here.
I'm here, man. Y'all tripping.
You don't have any physical. You have any you got a.
Bro, I just told you I'm wanting for y'all, and I'm telling you the truth.
I believe you. It's just we're not getting anything back. You got
So
you got a
don't
credit
even
card or
let me go.
anything? I just gotta confirm it's you.
Is you gonna let me go?
It
At
depends.
this
It
point-
depends on what the warrant is.
At this point,
If we got PC, let's just do it.
Okay,
what you say?
come on out for me.
I'm gonna get in my car.
You're good. You gotta come on out anyway.
Who the sergeant?
Right there.
Right.
So put your cigarette for me. Turn around for me.
Man, I ain't even lied about my. I just gave you my name and my birthday, and told you the truth. To get handcuffed is crazy. My baby's crying.
You got anything on you, man? Come on, we can talk about it. We'll be right back here, okay?
Oh, my baby is crying. He ain't never cried. And I just said, damn. Hey, and my birthday, he told him to
You're good. Hold on.
what the fuck?
So listen, I appreciate you being cooperative with me, but I got a couple things here, okay? So your stuff you took is over $400. That's a felony, okay?
I know it is over
So
here.
you've done this before, right?
Yeah, I'm being honest with you, though. I can get a citation.
I understand that, and I appreciate you being honest with me. You understand the severity of this, but I got a couple more things. You saw me turn my lights on. I saw you run out. You didn't stop.
Because I was trying to park. And my baby, and I was trying to figure it. I was trying to figure out to call somebody for my baby because I knew I had these wounds.
Okay.
I wasn't gonna run. If I was gonna run, I would have just sped off. I wasn't running.
Okay. So when are the warrants from? You know?
Glen Corbett,
Yeah, Glen Corbett.
they is Glen Corbett. In Fairview Heights.
And Fairview Heights.
Yeah. Yeah, these two out here in Illinois.
You got any other tattoos?
Where is?
So I'm trying to confirm this is you.
Yeah, they on my arm.
Okay. Nothing else on your finger. You got the one on
Yeah,
your
this
finger.
one right here. It just said my baby name.
Okay.
You hear me? Step out of the car for
What am I stepping off
Please
for?
get out of the car.
I don't have.
tell you
I
again,
didn't
step
have
out of the car.
anything.
Step out of the car.
Okay,
Get
why
out of the
y'all
car.
grabbing
Get
me?
out of the car. Get out. Man, you hear what we're saying to you?
I'm a sue.
Yeah, go ahead and sue us.
I am.
You're
I
here.
just snatched me out the car like
We
that.
asked you to get out of the car.
Ask you twice to get out of the car. You're telling me no.
In your hand.
I'm not arguing.
Exactly.
Let go of this.
I'm not arguing with you. Telling you get out of the car.
Pick my shit up.
Whoa, hey.
You got anything on you?
Pick my shit up. This is mine. This I have nothing in my bag. Did you see me go in there and grab anything, touch anything? No, you do not. I have nothing.
Got a second 195.
Exactly. I'm suing the and watch. On me. Watch. I ain't got to say nothing.
Lights.
Are you going up too, bud?
Okay. Go right back here, please.
Turn around.
Please. Just make it easier on yourself, please.
No, because I'm doing too much.
We're not doing anything.
Oh my God. Y'all straight doing too much.
What's the key? Taser deployed. That's seat for me. Hey, buddy, you're okay. It's okay. You're okay, buddy. Hey, you're okay, buddy. It's okay. You're okay. Let's go over here real quick. You're okay. You're okay.
I do anything physical to her. Man, that's my sister. Me do anything physical to her. We finna get real active in
I
this
think she was
motherfucker.
stealing.
We finna get. I don't give a going on. Y'all do anything physical.
Are you coming up too, bud?
I ain't coming up on shit.
Turn around. Do it. Do it. Taser, taser, taser. Yo, what did I tell you? Huh? What did I tell you? You talked your way into that, didn't you? Talked your way into that, bud. Come out here and just mouth off to us. We're gonna find out who you are real quick.
Y'all gonna find out real quick.
Yeah, go ahead. We're gonna find out real quick. What does that mean? What does that mean, huh?
I don't think he expected that one.
Oh, yeah, I've had enough of it. You've been mouthing off to us.
That shit ain't do
You came up trying to pick a fight with us, dude. Why?
Shit.
Why?
That ain't do shit. That ain't do shit.
Oh,
That ain't do shit but knock me down. I mean, you ain't do it.
well, I did. I pulled, didn't
You
I?
pulled the trigger on some shit.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I've had enough. I've had enough mouthing off for the day.
I'll roll this way.
I ain't better shit. You just pick me up. How y'all just slap me down and pick me the That's right.
You're going this car way.
I'm waiting for you. I'll be without these cuffs though.
Definitely weighs more than
this.
this.
Shit in the cuffs though. Y'all ain't do shit when I went in.
I'm back here.
Oh, holy cow.
Oh, we got one back there.
All right.
Tough mouthing off.
No, you ain't so tough when I'm a tough when I'm in cuffs though. You ain't so tough when I wasn't in cuffs. You ain't tough when I wasn't in cuffs.
Yeah.
You gonna do all this shit while I'm in cuffs though. And Taser, I'm in cuffs and shit.
I tased you while you were in cuffs.
Yeah, you walked up on me and did all this stupid ass shit for no reason. It ain't do shit.
Going in your car, you satisfied?
You satisfied. I don't do nothing shit. This shit don't mean nothing to
This is next car.
Ordering a driver out of a stopped vehicle is independently lawful under Pennsylvania v. Mimms. That authority applies regardless of whether the underlying stop involved a separate theft investigation. Law prevention evidence, corroborated by store video, established reasonable suspicion under Terry v. Ohio. Force is judged under Graham v. Connor's three factors: offense severity, threat, and resistance. The underlying offense was a property crime, not a violent one, weighing against escalation. Refusing lawful commands multiple times constitutes active resistance, even without physical contact. Whether a stated threat toward officers or a bystander existed remains genuinely ambiguous on this record. Bryan v. MacPherson held that taser use against a non-violent, non-fleeing subject can be excessive force. Courts under that precedent scrutinize taser deployment closely when resistance is verbal, not physical. No documented physical strike against an officer preceded the trigger pull in this encounter. That absence is the central fact a reasonableness review would need to weigh most heavily. Conducted energy weapons remain subject to full Fourth Amendment scrutiny, despite being non-lethal. Post-deployment statements may separately support a resisting arrest charge apart from the theft allegation. Grading. Officers earn a C+. Strong evidence work undercut by an unresolved Taser justification. Grading. The subject earns a D. Non-violent but repeated refusal directly precipitated the escalation. Lesson for officers. Verbally clarify an ambiguous threat before escalating to a conducted energy weapon. Lesson for citizens. Complying with lawful commands, even briefly, reduces both force and legal risk. Lesson for agencies. Document the specific threat basis whenever a Taser is deployed against resistance. Case outcome remains unconfirmed. Share verifiable details below, and thank you for watching.